welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a Walmart haul. I'm going to have a haul today and probably one Friday, and that will probably be the last of my hauls for a while since this coronavirus is just so bad. I really don't like to get out in a lot of people, and I don't think you really should for your safety. So let me show you. I had to go to Walmart, so while I was in there, I picked up a few things. Okay, first let me start off with this shirt. It's a really cute tie-dye shirt, and it says Skittles, and I think it is just super on trend and really bright and happy, just perfect for spring. And it was $9.88, okay? And while I was there, I picked up this one too, and this one just says Polaroid, and I love the little tie-dye effects that they're having. It's like I said, it's so on trend. It's very popular right now, and it's fun, you know, especially during all this horrible stuff we're having with the coronavirus. And then I picked up this one that just says, what you want is Coca-Cola. I love Coke, and I love Pepsi too. I go back and forth between the two. And these were all $9.88, okay? And this was in the gray. They had a couple other ones. It's just like a gray with like a pink tone to it. But I loved that one. And they're kind of a crop top, but they're not too short as you can see on me. You cannot see my stomach, okay? Then I found this one, and it says, it's cool to be kind. And I love a crisp white shirt for spring or anytime really. And I love this top. It's just all those pretty colors. It's got the orange and the pink and that green and a yellow and a navy. It looks like black, but it's navy. I just thought that was super cute. Now this one was $8.98, okay? So they really have some good prices on their shirts right now. Okay, then while I was in there, I saw this water jug. I thought it looked so bright and cheerful. I love this like mint green and then all these beautiful flowers on here. Now this is the tall, and it's a double wall insulated stainless steel Ranger Pro. And it holds 5 cups of water. It'll keep it cold for 24 and hot for 12. And I thought this would be really nice just to take in the car, or I need to start drinking more water just to have around, and that's what I'm going to use as my glass. Now they had different colors. They had a black, then they had one that was all mint green, and then they had another color. They have larger ones than these two, and I believe I saw smaller ones. This was $14 and something, but I love that. What you doing, little girl? Okay, and then while I was in there, I thought I better make this trip count. So I picked up Essie Flying Solo. I know it's really hard to see, but I thought it would be so cute for spring. Okay. And then I picked up Essie You Do Blue, and it has kind of a pinkish shift in the bottle. I don't know that you can see it, but I thought that would be really cute for spring as well. And then I picked up the Essie One Way for All, and that has a shift in it too. It's almost like a pearlized. I think that is going to be so pretty. It's like a pearlized pink, okay? Then while I was in there, I saw, many of you may have seen these like on the end counter quite a while ago, and I'm not sure how much they originally were. I think they were like $12, and I would see them and I would say, oh, I could make that. I am not paying that much for it. But then they went on clearance. This was $3, and I love it. It's very weighty. It has the little pad so it won't scuff anything, and I thought that was adorable. So and you can see it's pretty big, so I picked this one up. And then this one that looks like the little olive tree. I think this is going to be so pretty for my French country farmhouse Tuscan decor. And it was on clearance for $3 as well. Now they had a lot of these, not so many of these, but they didn't have any of the lemon trees, which I was kind of sad about because I really wanted one. Then while I was in there, I saw this beautiful lavender. I think that is so beautiful. I love lavender. And this was, it doesn't have the price, but I think this might have been like 90 some cents. I know it wasn't any more than $3. And I really don't think this was $3. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches of this. I think this was like 97 cents, something like that. Okay, then I saw these beautiful tulips. I love these colors. They're so pretty. And then it has these little flowers in there with it. And this was just, says tulip mix bush. Okay, now these were $3 a bundle, but you get quite a bit. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I love this. That would be beautiful in a wedding or anything like that. I love those colors. Then I saw these, and this is just lavender mix, okay? And it just has some pretty lavender with your greenery. And these were $3 a bunch. So I picked up 2 bunches of these because they're pretty full. All right. Then I got me a grapevine wreath. I normally go to Michael's, but I was in there, like I said, it's a 12-inch wreath. And I'm really trying to limit my exposure, especially with this horrible virus going around. So I decided I would go ahead and get it. And to be honest, I don't even know how much it was. Then I picked up this little 6-inch bamboo embroidery hoop. I'm thinking about maybe doing something with it. I think it was like $2 or $3 or maybe $1 something. It wasn't a lot. And then I saw this little mini easel, and I thought, I might be able to do something with that. I think that was like 90 some cents, okay? Then I saw this little birdhouse that you can paint. This isn't on there. You could do whatever you wanted to with it. And I thought, well, that would be fun. It was in their little craft section. So I picked it up. I think it was like maybe $1 something. I really don't know. And then this little plank that already looks like it's farmhouse whitewashed with this. I picked it up, and this is just palette plank whitewash. And I think it was like, I don't know how much it was. It wasn't a lot. And then I picked us up some extra Harry's razor blades because that's the kind of razors we use. And they're really good. So this has a 4-pack in it. So I thought, like, if the government would have to, you know, really start cracking down and quarantining us for a while. I mean, I know the grocery stores will stay open, but I don't want to go get around people that may be sick or maybe have the virus and they don't know it, okay? And then for Maggie, she is so tiny that I've tried to find little sweaters for her. Although it's been in the 80s down here, and I don't think she's really going to need it. But I thought maybe, you know, when we turn on the air, which is on, I don't think it's too cold. I don't think she's getting cold. But I thought, well, she might like to have something on because she snuggles under blankets and things. She loves to do that. So I went and bought some preemie little outfits, and I thought I would cut that off. They're too big for her. So I got the cutest little preemie outfits. I thought she would look, you know, really cute, and she could have them as shirts, but they don't work. So I'm going to have to take those back. Even though they look like they would be so tiny, she's smaller than that. So this is everything that I found at Walmart. Plus we got a lot of groceries too. But like I said, I don't know that I'll be doing another haul for quite a while after the one Friday. And the one Friday will be a Dollar Tree haul. And I didn't get a whole lot there, but I picked up a few things. But it's just, I really hope everyone is taking this virus seriously and, you know, doing the social distancing, the hand washing that's so important. and just staying away from large crowds. Because I think, as Dr. Fauci has stated, it's going to get worse before it gets better. So I hope everyone is staying safe and just kind of hunkering around the house, and just, you can craft in your home, you can listen to music, you can read a book, you can do yard work. I'm assuming that should be fine. So, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that we can do to occupy ourselves, watch good movies. Goodness knows I have a ton of old movies. So, and I'll put some pictures behind this of Maggie, just sort of when she's sleeping. She was on my, well, she really wasn't on my lap. She was close to me, and I got up off the couch, and she just flipped back and never even woke up. It's not the time I told you about before, it's another time. And I FaceTime Mom, and Mom said, I have never seen a dog like that in my life, and she was cracking up. So I'll put some pictures how she loves to just, she will literally cover herself up with the blanket. I don't have to. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't have to. She is a ham, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.